Welcome to Discover Science. Have you ever helped your mom or dad wash the dishes? Sometimes it doesn't want to get clean very well. It's very oily. I use soap or I use hot water and I try to make the oil go away. Why doesn't oil just wash off with water? Let's find out. Discover. Today's materials: a picture board, dropper, cup, candle, and our teachers will help you prepare some water-based markers and some water. Okay, are you ready to draw a picture with a candle? First, we're going to draw raindrops with a marker using water-based markers. Any color you want. Color your raindrops here, okay? Da-da-da. Okay, I'm done. Now we're going to go in with our candle. Use your candle and let's color the umbrella and the raincoat on top of the little child. Okay, looks good. Now, take some water and put it into your cup. Be careful not to spill. And use your dropper and put it inside. Push and let go. It should fill with water. And then we're going to put some water here and there and see what happens to the water. Watch where the water goes and what happens to the paper and the water. Okay, now we're going to take the water and put it on top of our picture. Put some on the umbrella. Oh, look at the bubbles. Wow. And on our raincoat. Oh, on our rain boots. Oh, do you see all the bubbles? Let's try some on the trees. Oh, the sky. Maybe over here. Oh, can you see the difference? Here we go. Let's more. Can you see the difference? These make round, pretty bubbles on top of the umbrella and round, pretty bubbles on top of the rain boots and on top of the raincoat. But look here. All the bubbles are, all the rain just kind of goes and into the paper, right? It's actually melting into the paper right now, soaking inside. And look at our rain bubbles. See here, here and here, right? They're changing, but here it's still perfect. Think why. I have some water here and some oil. Oil and water, they don't mix. Since water is heavier than oil, the water will sink to the bottom and the oil rises to the top. So even if you shake it, they don't mix. Let me show you. I'm going to add this water to the oil and let's watch what happens. Looks like they're mixing, but they're not. What do you see? The water goes to the bottom because it is heavy and the oil goes to the top. This is the same thing with candles made of oil. Candles made of oil because on our picture, we painted it everywhere and then we put some water on to see what happened. What happened? Wax covered parts stay dry and the water remains a pretty bubble on top. But the other parts that had no wax, they started absorbing the water and even our marker started to spill out. Interesting, right? Don't drink it. Think more. Why do oil and water separate? They don't mix. Because of density. Density refers to how tightly packed something is. So water has a higher density than oil, so it sinks to the bottom. Think about these boxes of fruit. There's only a few fruits in the first box, and the second one has lots of fruit inside, right? So there's no room.